All right, I hope this helps somebody. I bought it's my O2 Sporty 1200 Custom, and I have the Screamin Eagle race module there. Dual fire coil only, which that's my second one because I did some crap wrong. I bought the lowbrow custom sportster treatment wire kit, and it came pre-wired with everything. And my issue was in the, let's see if I can get this right, in the connectors here. Their wire colors did not match up to my wire colors, so I pulled mine out and adjusted them to match theirs. But the issue I had is it still wasn't turning over, because I get a status ready light right there when I get power. So I wasn't getting power until I reconnected everything on my end and matched their end. So then it still wasn't firing over, and the one wire left over on mine was a green wire coming out down there. See if I can get a better shot of it. Yeah, so I stole the pin from the old connector, put it in on their side because they had a white plug in there. This little dude, I pulled that out, ran the green in there, and I hooked up the bank angle sensor that the Sportster treatment kit says to get rid of. I put it back in there just on a hunch and kind of just hooked it up real quick. That's the green going to the ignition down there. You can see it. And I put it back together, all that crap. That's the ground right there. And then the power, gray's the power. So what I did was I just touched it to my key there, and it fired up. After days of it not firing and me going through coil after coil and wires and testing and doing all kinds of fun crap, I finally got it right. I got the zip ties on there because I put dielectric grease and it keeps popping the boots off. Don't do that. Don't put no dielectric grease in there. Anyways, it fires up now. I'd show you, but I have to hold the damn thing on there. But yeah, you get the point. Hope it helps somebody. Have a good day.